coworker got me to show her this property. The pinga, bro. Listen, essentials to actually drive your car. If you drive a manly car, like a Raptor R, that's the one car, man. You gotta have your Monte Cristo, pop one out, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have a little bit of coffee, you know? You gotta get a whole country. Howdy, bitches. You know what? Since I come from a different culture, which is what I wanted to speak about in my other videos that I make in Arabic, once this fucking beeping stops, is how we were raised that money is not so important and there is so many things that are more important than just making money. But then we grow, man. We get older and then we get to learn you don't get to enjoy things about life. The other things about life that we learned are more important than money. We don't even get to enjoy them if you don't have money, because you're constantly worried about not having money. Because you could have whatever around you that you would say that you're enjoying or should be enjoying, but if you're stressing over money, you're not gonna enjoy it. Matter of fact, let's not even make it about materialistic shit. If you just have kids, if you do have kids, you can't even enjoy your kids properly if you're broke. You're constantly worried about how to feed them, where to get money, where to, get money to keep them safe and give them the life they deserve. You're so occupied mentally with how to afford them, you don't even get to enjoy them. You don't even get to notice what they like and what's the good and the bad about each one of them, whatever. And that goes all around. You don't have money, you're robbed away from life. You're robbed away from tasting, what life has to offer, the good things that it has to offer. And this is not about get money, F everything else. Nothing else matter other than making money. No, there's a lot of things matter other than making money. You don't even get to know that they matter if you don't have money, because you're so concerned about how to pay your bills and how to cover this, how to cover that, F that. Guys, let me tell you this. You see me today rocking, them properties, driving all these different cars, living that fancy life, and you think I've had it good. Some of you are new followers, right? Like you just got to watch me. No, my friend, I've slept in my car. I was the guy with no money. I was the guy concerned about how do I pay my bills? Like, how do I even help my mom this month? How do I make rent? How do I, the basic worries that all of you or most of you have, assuming your finances are not in order. It's not easy, man. I've been there. Like, I never knew, even my workouts. Look, I'm talking about simple shit. When I was broke, I did still work out. But I didn't even enjoy working out till I actually had money. Not because I changed the gym, but because when I'm on my bench press, I'm not thinking about anything else other than the moment that I'm in, the weight that I'm fucking pushing, the things that I'm enjoying about being at the gym that I am at. Because I'm not worried about my bills, how I'm gonna help my family, nothing. I'm in the moment. And trust me, as long as you have financial concerns, the monthly obligations going on, they're a concern to you, I promise you, it's extremely difficult for you to enjoy life or anything about life. Point of what I'm saying is, I was where you're at. I was. And I changed my life because I've worked hard and I've worked smart. I've made good decisions. I've made more money. I didn't increase my expenses. I kept the outflow low and the inflow high. I did that for a while, man. I didn't marry too young. I didn't, date the wrong women and get busy with, just chasing women, drinking, partying, all this shit. It was never me. And it'll never be me. Because I always had the mindset of, I don't even deserve to meet the one. I don't even deserve to meet the woman that I would call the one. Because assuming I've met her in those days, I can't even give her the life she deserves. And forget about all that bullshit about let's get started together. Let's struggle together and figure it out. My friend, you can't. Some of you did it, and God bless you. But nowadays, man, it's tough. Like, I already got shit to be worried about. Now I'm gonna, like, my shit is already effed up, and now I'm gonna date this girl that is, her priorities are off, her life is a mess. Now we got more mess to worry about together. F all that. You're a man, get your shit right. You don't even need to be dating. You don't even deserve to have a wife, a woman, or the one that you live your life waiting to meet. The one. You don't even deserve to have any. Not even the one. Any. If your finances are a mess. Gotta be loaded, man. Gotta be able to buy one of them big homes you see them building out there, you know? You buy one of them homes, you put your girl in it, you know, behind the kitchen, because that's where she belongs. Them haters, man. You know, you buy one of these, you get your wife, you put her in it, you pop some kids out of her, you know. That's good, man. What are you gonna do? Get a girlfriend that you make a wife and live in that one apartment that's a rental, so we can struggle and talk shit about how we gonna get the $1,600 or $2,500 to pay at the end of the month to this cocksucker called landlord. Probably that would be me. And if you can't pay me, I'm gonna take your girl too, man. Come on. I'm gonna be rolling up on that apartment like this with my Monte Cristo. I'll be like, yo, time to pay daddy. No? Keeping your girl, man. Hop in, baby boo. She's not gonna say no, man. She'll be like, finally, a man that got my back. I got a man who's about to have my back and break my back. Sarcasm. I don't need anyone out there offended. But if you're offended anyways, fuck it. Let it be, man. You know that moment that McGregor did? And I apologize. Everyone thought he is about to apologize. And he was like, to absolutely no fucking body. That's my moment. I apologize for nothing. And I don't need no women haters. If anything, I'm speaking on your behalf for your own benefit, actually. Guys, you want to get out there and get a wifey? Get a life that she deserves first, then invite the queen in. This whole bullshit about let's build it together. Build what together, bro? If you build it together, then like, what is it? It's a 50-50. And I was raised in a culture, we don't do 50-50, man. As a man, you give a whole 100. Then you invite the queen to enjoy that empire with you and support you to even go ahead and build a bigger one. This whole thing, let's fucking split bills 50-50. We both work and we both pay expenses. That shit is gay, dog. Damn. How are you gonna tell your wife in the middle of the night, boo, get your ass up, go make me a fucking sandwich, when she pays half the bills? You can't. She'll be like, bitch, you get your ass going. You go make your own sandwich. Can't do that, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta pay all the bills. Gotta keep her fed, enjoying life. No concerns about money. Dude, you could wake your wife up like at fucking 3 a.m. Go make me a sandwich. Make me a sandwich. She'll be like, right-o, honey. Want it turkey or beef? Cause I'm the man. And you're the woman. And I love you, baby. That's it, folks. You want more motivation than this? There's no more, man. Anything more than that is just me yelling and just fucking scrambling and pushing and spinning and whatever. Let me enjoy my Monte Cristo that you can't even fucking afford, probably, anyways. With that being said, folks, we're done. Go fucking get some money. Get your life together. Money matters. A lot of things matter, but you don't even know what else matters to you if you don't have money, because you're so busy worrying about the lack of money. Get some money and go enjoy life. Maybe you don't like what I like, and you don't have to. But go get some money and go get what you like. And that's it, folks. I gotta make some business calls, man. Got money to be making. Video over. Let's do this, folks. Like, subscribe, comment, all this good shit. Do it. Support ya homie. Let's go, folks.